VMS trader says many times we try to avoid high risk trades, but again and again I am taking high risk trades. Any simple way to avoid it? Very simple way to avoid it. You may not even believe, like, can this be so simple? Don't trade. Now, does that mean never trade? No. Don't trade for a few days. Do all the analysis. Do everything the way you do. Come up with a trade. I would even suggest to open the order window and then just do this, sit down and watch. Don't put that trade in. Monitor the trade. Am I asking you to do paper trading? Absolutely not. I am asking you to tell the markets that I am a retail trader. I don't understand what you're trying to do. I don't understand what the hell is going to happen with my trade right now, but I have a superpower. And that superpower is I can decide when to trade and when not to trade. I don't have a huge Infosys position to hedge. I don't have a godown full of wheat which I want to hedge. No, nothing. I'm a retail trader. Most of the time I'm here for fun. I like the volatility of the markets. I find it interesting. I'm not yet even a professional trader. I'm a retail trader. It's a hobby for me. I can choose not to trade. Tell it to the markets. You can write this down and you say it to the markets that I am a retail trader. I have a superpower. I am the only person who can decide whether I can take a trade or not. Specifically, whether I can take this trade or not, let it go. Whether it makes money, whether it makes loss, forget about it. What is important here? The important thing is you need to train your mind with the fact that you are in control of your decisions. You are in control of your decisions. Next time, okay, do this for a few days, then look at the markets and you may already have a feeling of change, right? You may already feel more in control of your trading. Then a trade comes and you feel it is good. Usually you take 4 lots, usually you take 100 shares, take 5 shares. Make a mockery of this system. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Made a mockery of this system. If you can afford 5,000 shares, trade 5. See, the market is not listening to you. You are basically training your own mind that you are the person who controls your trading. Not the emotions that arise from looking at the charts or looking at some flashy, moves on the charts and some smart money traps. No, you are in control of your trading. So make a mockery. You tell the markets that I can take 5,000 shares, but I'm just going to make fun of you and take 5 shares in this particular trade. Trust me, it may sound silly. It works. Slowly, and do this for a couple of weeks. From 5 shares, maybe go to 10, 50, 100. Slowly go back to your 5,000 in a period of month or two, and suddenly you will find that you are not really taking any impulsive trades. But this is a process, all right? It's not going to happen in one day. It's not going to happen if you do it mentally. You have to do this stupid thing. It's like talking with yourself in the mirror exercise, right? It feels weird but works.